Hi guys, I have just finished filming this Thursday's recipe video, which is for these delicious strawberry shortcake cupcakes. But you're gonna need to do something in the meantime, which is to make fruit goo out of strawberries. And Nikki is over at HQ and she's gonna show you how to do it. I'm gonna read this.
Hi, I'm going to show you guys how to make a super simple, really tasty strawberry goo. I've got 400 grams of frozen strawberries, you can use fresh, and I've also got 125 grams of caster sugar. So I'm just going to pop them in the pan on a medium to low heat at first, just to get them going, and then we'll just give it a little mix, just so it doesn't catch on the bottom. These have been simmering away for about 5 minutes now, and they're really super soft. It's gone really nice and thick, which is the perfect time to get your potato masher out, which is what we're going to use to just get the really big lumps out, because we want this nice and smooth. So once you've got all the massive lumps out, we're just going to leave that to simmer again for another 4 or 5 minutes, just to thicken up a little bit more. So that's been simmering now for about 4 minutes, and as you can see, it's gone really, really nice and thick. I'm actually just going to turn that off because we are done. If you want it really smooth, you can blitz it in a food processor, but we actually like it quite chunky, so I'm going to leave this like this. You can substitute strawberries for raspberries or blueberries. We use both at Crumbs Doilies, and we use them for filling cupcakes, which is exactly what you're going to use it for on Thursday for Gemma's Strawberry Shortcake video. So we'll see you then. Bye!